Hello, in front of me I've got Infinix Smart 6 HD. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, enter Display and Brightness, and as you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can enable or disable iCar, change its intensity, or schedule it. Then we can change wallpaper for screen lock and home screen. Then we can enable or disable dark theme, screen keep bright, or change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes. Next, we can change font size, enable or disable inadvertently mode, auto rotate screen, and status bar network speed display. And in the end, we can manage lock screen. For example, we can change notifications on lock screen, add text on lock screen, and manage lock screen overlay. And that's it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.